Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zoho Subscriptions for mobile billing events, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your mobile device and locate the Zoho Subscriptions app. If you haven't already, download and install the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the installation is complete, tap to open the Zoho Subscriptions app. Sign in to your existing account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by tapping on the Sign Up option. After signing in, navigate to the main dashboard of your subscription management. Look for the billing section within the app. Tap on Mobile Billing Events to access this feature. You'll be prompted to choose the billing frequency that suits your needs. Select your preferred frequency, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. Next, you'll need to enter your payment information. Fill in the required fields, including your credit card or bank details. Once your payment information is complete, review the subscription plan details carefully. Confirm your selection by tapping the Confirm Subscription button. You should receive a notification confirming your subscription has been successful. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section within the app for troubleshooting. Now you're all set to manage your mobile billing events with Zoho Subscriptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.